Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everybody. Dear students, I am back again with a new lesson today. I myself take some initiatives to take your class through online. I think this is very much helpful for you in this critical situation. However, this is Ibnul Hasan Tushar, Assistant Teacher English, Ranachand School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari. So, students, for the preparation of class, you please take your notebook, pen, etc. And you must share the class on your timeline for your friends so that it can be a bigger virtual class, I think. So dear students, I write here two sentences that you can see. Here I write on the table and go to bed. I know you are already write or read or know clearly about the parts of speech. So, and I write here two sentences and underline on the table one and go to bed, go two. Those two words are which parts of speech? Okay, you're right. This two is under preposition. We know these two words are preposition. So, can you guess what is today's topic? Okay, thank you. Today's topic is preposition. So, today's topic is preposition. We learned about preposition today. You know, preposition is a big syllabus, big topic, we know. So I try to try to deliver the class about preposition in three parts. So now I would like to discuss about part 1 of the topic preposition. Dear students, like every lesson, we have some learning outcomes that we will try to fulfill in a class time. So, have a look at the screen for the learning outcomes. So, I write preposition. We should know about the definition about preposition, or we should know what is preposition. It's so easy if we try to memorize or try to understand about by this way. Here I write preposition. Preposition. Two syllable we know pre. In Bangla, pre ortho purbe. Pre ortho purbe. Ebong position. Position ortho অবস্থান. That means preposition must take place before some words. Now we should know which words are take place after preposition. Okay, you attention please. প্রিপজিশন পূর্বে অবস্থান, প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে কার পূর্বে অবস্থান? নাউন এবং প্রোনাউনের পূর্বে অবস্থান। দ্যাট মিন্স when a word take place before noun or pronoun, it called preposition. We can define it in another ways, that is when these words or when a word take place before noun and pronoun, then build up relationship between another words in the sentence, that called preposition. Hopefully you understand. I repeat, actually prepositions are words or phrases that clarify relationships. Relationships, which relationships? Okay, relationships between the words and the nouns. To the room, relationship between preposition and noun. Relationship between preposition and the noun and the pronoun. Okay, a preposition, actually a preposition links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. Prepositions are also used in idioms. Okay, hopefully you understand the definition about preposition clearly. Dear students, here I write some preposition that you can see in the whiteboard. Attention please, I try to understand you, I try to memorize in your heads in a easy way. So please attention. Here you can see a box. We can imagine this is a box, and this is the part of the upper part of the box. This is the lower part of the box, and these are to the box, and these are out of the box. I again say, this is the upper part of the box, this is the lower part of the box. This is into the box, this is out of the box. This side is considered as the out of the box, and this is considered in the middle of the box or middle center point of the box. By this diagram, I try to define 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 preposition in a easy way or easy method. So please attention, when we consider any noun or pronoun in the sentence, we can use above, over or on. I repeat, when we consider a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, in the upper section we should use above, over, on. And When we consider the noun or pronoun in the lower part of something in the sentence, we should use below or under. When we can find the noun and pronoun in the sentence as in the middle or center point of the sentence or something somewhere we can use in or through. And when you go to some room, go to some class or go to the field, to we can state, we can use to. And when we get out from some room or some field or market or something else, we use from the room, from the market, from the class, something else. And when it is into, it also mention when we go into some room, stay in the room, we can use into. And it is the opposite of into, out of. When in a sentence it occur the opposition about into, we should use out of. And this is the all of above, over, on, to, from, into, out of, below, under, in, and through, about this session. Okay, dear students, hopefully you understand about this preposition, and I try to give you some examples about this. Then you must more clear and understand about all the prepositions. Okay, dear students, now I would like to give you some example. For this you can achieve a clear concept about this use of preposition. So look at the board. On the table, here we can imagine this is a table, and on the table here some students here on the table, when we can find some things, pens, sticks or dusters or something else on the table, we can use this preposition on the table. In Bangla, উপরে কোনো কিছুর উপরে বোঝানো হলে ওয়ান ব্যবহার করব আমরা। কোনো কিছুর উপরে যদি বোঝানো হয় তাহলে আমরা কি ব্যবহার করব? ওয়ান ব্যবহার করব। ওকে, দেন টু দ্য রুম ইন বাংলা প্রতি, দিকে, যদি কোনো রুমের দিকে যাচ্ছে কেউ, মনে করো একজন রুমের দিকে যাচ্ছে, তাহলে হোয়াট শুড উই ক্যান সে? টু দ্য রুম, রুমের দিকে যাচ্ছে। দেন উই ইউজ টু। ওকে, দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ ফ্রম দ্য গার্ডেন ইন বাংলা হইতে, কোথা হইতে আসছে? রুম হইতে যাচ্ছে, মাঠ হইতে যাচ্ছে, ক্লাস হতে যাচ্ছে, লাইব্রেরি হতে যাচ্ছে। দেন উই মাস্ট ইউজ ফ্রম। হেয়ার আই রাইট ফ্রম দ্য গার্ডেন, ফ্রম দ্য গার্ডেন। হেয়ার দেন ইউ ক্যান সি into, go into the house, ভিতরের দিকে যাচ্ছেন। আমি একটু আরও ক্লিয়ার করে বোঝাই যে ভিতরে নয়, ভিতরের দিকে যাচ্ছে, ভিতরে নয় কিন্তু ভিতরের দিকে যাচ্ছে। দেন উই ক্যান ইউজ ইনটু। Here I write, go into the house. বাড়ির দিকে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু বাড়ির ভিতরে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু বাড়ির ভিতরে নয়। Hopefully you got it. Okay. Under. The pen is under the book. নিচে. We can imagine this is a table. নিচে একটা suppose here is a pen. Pen যখন কোনো টেবিলের নিচে অথবা কোনো কিছুর নিচে কোনো কিছু অবস্থান করে, সেটা স্টিক হোক, মার্কার পেন হোক, অথবা ডাস্টার হতে পারে, অথবা সামথিং এলস, বুক, এনিথিং এলস, যা হোক। হাউএভার দেন উই ক্যান ইউজ then we can use understand. Under. The pen is under the book. কলমটি বইয়ের নিচে আছে, অথবা আমরা দিতে পারি the pen is under the table. টেবিলের নিচে আছে। Hopefully you got it and you understand it clearly. I repeat again. 1 on the table. 2 to the room from the garden go into the room house. Under. The pen is under the book or table. Dear students, you need to exercise. We can overcome the barriers or problems of preposition. We need to practice and practice. We should not depend on the rules. We just try to practice and practice. Only practice can solve our barriers of preposition. And today's class I try to practice about some prepositions to you. Hopefully it may helpful for you. Homeworks. Dear students, now I would like to give you homeworks. Please try to solve the homeworks at your home. So have a look at the screen for your today's homeworks. So this is the end of the class today. Stay with us, continue your study and give us the valuable comments for our inspiration. Thank you very much.